Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, where today we are diving into one of the most unique and jaw-dropping builds of the year, the custom 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This is not just a truck conversion. This is a rolling palace on wheels designed to turn heads, deliver comfort, and take road trips to a completely new level. Stick with me because what we are about to explore is pure engineering brilliance, unmatched luxury, and a bold statement of freedom on the open road. The Kenworth T2000 is already a legend in the trucking world, known for its aerodynamic design and reliability. But when you take a truck like this and transform it into a motorhome, the result is something breathtaking. From the outside, this custom 2026 build keeps the muscular stance and signature Kenworth look, but it's stretched and modified with smooth lines, a polished metallic finish, and LED accent lighting that makes it look futuristic. The custom grille design and the integrated roof fairing give it a sleek profile that cuts through the wind beautifully, while still feeling like a proper truck. Let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood sits a high-output 15-liter engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, giving you the torque you need to pull all this luxury with ease. It's quiet, powerful, and fuel-efficient for its size, thanks to advanced tuning and aerodynamics. On long highway runs, it feels planted, smooth, and surprisingly easy to handle. Stepping inside is where this custom build really shines. Imagine opening the cabin door and walking into what feels like a luxury apartment. You are greeted by real wood paneling, soft ambient lighting, and leather captain's chairs that swivel to face the living area. The floor plan is thoughtfully designed, giving you a full kitchen with premium appliances, a cozy lounge with a big screen smart TV, and even a dining nook with panoramic windows so you can enjoy the view while you eat. One of the most impressive features is the master bedroom. This isn't a small cramped bed tucked into the corner. This is a full queen-size setup with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and clever climate control that keeps it comfortable no matter where you park. And yes, there's a fully enclosed bathroom with a rainfall shower and premium fixtures, making this feel more like a 5-star suite than a motorhome. Technology lovers will appreciate how connected this custom T2000 is. The control system is fully digital, letting you monitor power usage, water levels, and climate settings from a touchscreen or even a smartphone app. Solar panels on the roof keep the batteries charged, and there's even a generator backup for those truly off-grid adventures. Driving this custom Kenworth is an experience in itself. The cockpit is loaded with tech, digital displays, driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras to make maneuvering such a massive machine much easier. It's built for the long haul, giving you both confidence and comfort. This custom 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's freedom reimagined. It's perfect for someone who wants to travel without compromise, live luxuriously on the road, and still have the reliability of a commercial-grade truck platform underneath. So what do you think? Would you take this monster on your next cross-country road trip? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the coolest custom motorhomes of 2026, hit that like button, subscribe to Engine Explorer, and turn on the bell so you never miss